Hello everyone, my name is Kusumlata and today I am presenting my presentation on hospital management system which is developed by the MSSS project. So talking about the introduction, the project is on the hospital management system database which is created in the MSSS app, and it just stores and manages hospital data efficiently. That how we can just store all the data electronically, because when we are just storing it manually it will lead to errors and difficulties, and it also includes the table, queries, forms and reports. So talking about the database overviews, I have taken total 5 tables and 4 queries and 3 forms and 3 reports about that. And after that, when we are just creating the table, we are just including the different tables, like talking about the hospital management, we are just taking the patient table, nurses table, doctors tables, and how we are just including the treatment, billing and appointment tables. And after that, talking about the table structure, as each table has a primary key which uniquely defines that what, like if we are just talking about the patient table, the primary key will be the patient ID, that how we are just taking that ID and like different like defining all the things. And proper data types are used. Data is organized without duplication, like it all just stores properly and like manages like all the relationships defines that how we are just linking the like one table to the another one, like we are just linking the patients to the appointments, like one patient has different appointment over there and one doctors are just like deal with the different patients, and talking about the patients with the treatments and doctors with the treatments. And so next is the queries defines the specific information, that how we are just making it in a table in a rows and columns, like patient appointment query, high salary doctor query about the billing and appointments. After that, there is a form defines that how like if we are just talking about like a specific patient, that his or her total personal information, their name, first name, last name, date of birth, phone number and everything. And after that, there is a user interface defines the clean layout, navigation buttons, combo boxes, drop downs and easy to use, that how we are just manage our database properly and so that it will be like it looks efficient. And after that, there is a report is about the patient report, doctor appointment and organized output, that how by including all the data in one report. After that, talking about the database features, it has navigation buttons, drop down list, organized design, efficient performance, that how we are just managing it properly and it is an organized way. So in the last, like database talking about the hospital management, it improves hospital management.